why you look so happy and refreshed because, you know, I mean, why didn't you sleep? What's the matter? It's not like were you not in the comfort of your own home? Were you in a playpen instead of your cozy crib? I felt bad for you. I'm like, please go to sleep, Millie.
Well, I just kept thinking about Joel. I was like, Joel works so hard.
No.
He needs to sleep. He doesn't need to hear someone crying.
I'll tell you what he did say. He wasn't mad at all. He goes, I'm not baby hungry at all.
How easy it would be to fall for you.
Aunt Julie's getting ready to go. I want every single one of you boys come follow me downstairs. We're going to do a walkthrough of the basement. 1, to make sure that you guys don't forget anything, leave anything behind. And 2, we want to make sure everything is picked up before you guys go. Can you help them do that? You see, there's like an entire outfit. This, Lucy, this is your outfit. Can you run that up to your mommy? Go, actually, do you know what? Take that by the fireplace and get changed and then give your mommy your jammies. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, go get upstairs and put your clothes on and give your jammies to your mommy. Just recently, we had all 4 of Olivia's light bulbs.
And I can't see anything. I'm looking in the mirror like I can't see anything. They're all out.
Write it on my grocery list. I don't know what kind of light bulbs go in there, though. Are those the light bulbs? Lee. Okay. So far, so good. Keep going. Okay, you can put all the blankets by the... Where's Cody? Cody, where are you? Oh, right there. Cody, my gosh. Now, I don't think we should use clothes.
Well, it's just all the snow clothes stuff.
Okay. Okay, you tell him where you want that blanket. I will let you keep the fort, the tent, until after spring break. Yep. Well, the night before you go to school, we got to put all the fort stuff away. Even though we let the kids have a sleepover yesterday, what are you packing for?
I don't know. Just kind of going, you know?
Okay, well, do you have an outfit for tomorrow? Okay, because we will meet you and Aunt Julie tomorrow for a very fun activity. Girls only, no boys, which is why we were having such a hard time. Get what you need. Do you have everything that you need? Which is why we were having a hard time figuring out, you know, boys going back and forth because we're having a girls' day on Friday, and so moving around the boys just didn't work. What do you have? Let me see. Oh my gosh, where'd you get that?
I was on it down.
It was on the ground. Well, this is not a song I recognize, so it must not be one of my kids on the piano. It was a duet of sorts. Well, this feels a little unsettling and uneasy. Joel's truck is sitting here. Joel's truck is not here. And...
I'm gonna go get him. Mom, can I please get out?
That is not Dad.
That's Dad. Mom,
That is not Dad.
Yes, it is.
That's not
Yes, it is.
our tractor.
I know the shape of Daddy. Mom, can I please get out and get him? He's right there.
What on earth?
He's just riding our neighbors. Yeah.
Whose
that's our
tractor
neighbors.
is that?
Our
Is Dad?
neighbors.
Whose tractor is that?
Neighbors.
Joel, what is going on?
Our brick came.
Oh no!
Yeah, there's
No!
8 pallets and only 4 of them came today. The other 4 come tomorrow.
Are you kidding?
It was too heavy. He was like, if I go through the check station with all 8, he's like, I'm overweight.
Oh my gosh.
So,
Oh, and he couldn't get up to our place.
oh yeah, no.
Was this rig too big?
There's just no turnaround for even a smaller rig up there.
Okay.
So I had him and the company that we rented this from stop here, which is why my truck's there. So.
Joel, that's funny. Okay, one of the kids wants to come with you. Do you got room?
Yeah, I think so.
All right. Ah, there's our pallet.
The last one.
Nice.
Come here, handsome.
I just ride right here.
Look at that.
Here. I
Oh.
think I want you to climb in. Come here, bud. You're gonna climb in and step behind the chair, and there's like a thing you can stand
I'll
on.
walk on the tires.
Oh yeah.
It could happen.
Get up there in his little outfit.
Is this one?
All right. Yeah, the kids call it hazmat
I
suits.
rented.
Dad rented this.
Yep, that's what I figured.
You thought it was the neighbors.
Yeah, we'll come back and get it.
Well, I made it into the storage unit and I found Cody's extra pair of glasses. Cody broke his glasses and I have been back here in here searching through all of our boxes. And as you can see, I'm in the very back. At the very bottom, all of Cody's. Found his glasses. Now I've got other errands to do. Last night I completely forgot to close the vlog because we had dinner. It tastes great. However, I think it made us a little sick. So we went to bed not feeling very good last night, but we woke up feeling a lot better this morning. So thanks for watching the vlog. We love you guys and we'll see you in our next video. Bye guys.